So when I cleaned the dirt bike, the exhaust guard, the nuts spun on their holder, and it makes me crazy because then you can't get it off, blah, blah, blah. So this is a little video about how I fixed that, but then I'm going to explain to you really quickly, in case you don't know, what a PEM nut is and why I hate them. This is a PEM nut. It's designed to give you threads in thin sheet material that you wouldn't get. And here, I'll show you. You put this little guy through here. You take this tool here, like so. Ow! Just pinch my finger. So now you have a threaded boss that is attached, and this crimp here is what's going to hold this from spinning. The problem on the exhaust is that in stainless, it's a lot less grip, and the high heat can tend to get the screw to bind, and then you have a situation where the torque applied will spin it. We're going to fix that. This one hasn't failed yet, but it will.